everyone, so today I want to show you this typewriter, vintage typewriter altered book that I finished making recently. I started making her a while ago. The cover was kind of inspired by someone, I'm really not sure who because it's been so long. So I finished her and I decided to put her into a swap. So let me show you what's inside. Here's a packet. Here's another packet, little tuck. So I used a stencil here and just stamped the butterflies. And here's another packet. And here's a cute little typewriter booklet. And then this is an altered Rolodex card. I made it into a flip up with a journaling spot. This is my story. Beautiful flip out. Keeps flipping out for more and more writing. And here's a little pocket. Tucked something inside here. So I'm gonna ship her off soon. Here's a tag that my friend made. She made a free digital for anyone to use that wanted to a while back. So here's another little packet I glued here and here to form these secret packets in this journal. And she made that too. I think it was the same one, same little masterboard that she made. And then here's a little paper clip. And then this folds out, kind of like an accordion style. And then here's another big pocket. Here's some goodies in these pockets. So I just folded these pages together to form two pockets in here. And then I used something recycled, some kind of packaging. Cute little tag and a postcard. Then here's a vintage tag and then another pocket. And here's another tuck spot. Another secret pocket. And then here's another one. And this one flips out. And here's some more tuck spots. I really love these colors, vintage colors. And here's a little coin envelope that I made out of a book page. And this one comes out. Here's a little spot you can put something in there, and then this slides out. And I used white gesso here, and then just stamped the image, and of course another pocket. Couple tags. Just a blank page right here for some journal spots. A little tuck spot for receipt. Then an envelope I glued on. And a cute little envelope that flips out. So I glued here, and I folded this over for another little tuck spot. Cute little envelope. And flips out. Another pocket. And then folded these two pages to create pockets as well. More stenciling, stamping. Use some washi tape here. And then this one flips out. I adore vintage typewriters. I think they are just so special. I own 2 of them. Here's another tag and a cute little doll form. So I used my typewriter to write this little message here on this page. I fell in love not only with your looks, but also with your heart, your mind, and with your soul. Here's a little tuck spot, or you can make this into a pocket if you glue these 2 sides together. Another pocket. Here's another one. And then this comes out. Another little secret spot. And then here's another pocket. And then this one, if she glues these 2 little areas here together, this will be a pocket. So let me show you how I did this, since no one has. I left this blank for her to do whatever she wants with it. So I ripped out 7 pages, and then I kept 1, 2, 3. And then I ripped out 7, and I kept 3. So if anyone would ever like to try doing that, they are super fun and easy. Great way to start junk journaling by just gluing the things into the pages and having fun and using your imagination to make anything and everything you want with these extra book pages that you rip out. Hope everyone's enjoying their day, and see you next time. Thank you for watching.